Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see how we can connect AWS EC2 instances using the UI instead of MobiXtem. If you haven't watched my previous video, in that we have explained how we can launch an instance in AWS and how we can connect using MobiXtem. This is my channel and here you will see this connect what's the best way to connect AWS EC2 using MobiXtem. There are many other videos you can watch it. So today we are going to see how we can connect through UI if you are not having MobiXtem, if you are uh, unaware or immediately you want to connect to one of the instance, then a new instance was already launched. You just need to select this, click on connect. We need to select EC2 Instance Connect. Connect using public IP. By default, public IPv4 address will be shown here. The username will be Ubuntu. Since we have launched an instance of Ubuntu mission, click on connect. It is establishing connection. Yeah, it's done. How you can check the host name. This is the IP address. If you see under the details, 172.31.31.103, 172.31.31.103. Touch will create a file. We have created test file. If you do ls, it will list out what are the files created. That's it. We can use it. That's it in this video. Let's catch up on the next one. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.